All right, Rachel. This is a simple carrot cake that I've been making for over 40 years. And I've just added 4 eggs, room temperature, into my bowl. And I've added 2 cups of sugar. I like to measure everything. And I'm adding a cup and a quarter of oil. I'm just gonna
Right.
this baby up and I'm gonna put it on low for just a second. And while the egg mixture is beating, I am now going to whisk in into my flour, which I measured. I'm whisking in a little salt, a couple of teaspoons of baking powder, and a couple of teaspoons of cinnamon. So what I'm going to do now is add the flour mixture all at once. I'm not going to go a little at a time. And then I've got 3 cups of grated carrots. Now, how do you know if you have a cup of grated carrots? It all depends on your measure. Do you squish them in? Are they loose? I checked. 116 grams is a cup. So I'm just going to let this stir for, 30 seconds or so until all of this is combined.
Everything in the kitchen is immaculate and beautiful. Well done. Well done.
Oh, Rachel, coming from you, that is a high compliment. So now I'm going to take this off, and I have already have my pans greased and floured so that
and
you're
ready to go. Right.
Baking powder doesn't start activating while you're doing the rest of the stuff. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm just going to try to evenly pour the batter into 2 9-inch cake pans. And these are going to go into a 350 oven. It says 40 minutes in the recipe. I've been making this 40 years. My cake's ready at about 35. Now, it's not a carrot cake unless you have cream cheese frosting.
Of course.
So I get my ingredients to room temperature, and I really beat the cream cheese and the butter. And I mean beat, I probably beat that thing on high for about 3 minutes. I already added most of the powdered sugar.
Right.
But I'm going to put it on low, and vanilla. Where's the vanilla? Oh, here it is. Okay. And then of unsalted butter, half cup, and then 16 ounces of powdered sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm going to let that whirl just for a second. And then we're going to begin to frost our carrot cake.
Awesome.
I'm just going to give this another stir. And it looks like it's nice and creamy and
oh, look at that.
Ready to spread on our cool cakes. You don't want to frost it until it is definitely like room temperature.
Because otherwise the cream cheese is just going to melt right off. Right. Gorgeous.
I want you to come over for a cup of coffee and a piece of cake.
I would come over for brunch, lunch, or dinner anytime.
Here's our cake.
Yay! Oh, I want to bite so bad. Carrot cake is my favorite cake. She's become an author at 73 with her first book, Celebrate with Babs. She is affectionately known as Grandma Babs. She has gained 1.4 million followers and has over 12 million likes.
Hi, it's Babs. Great dump meal, 4 ingredients, ready when you need it. I am 73 years of age. I live in Connecticut, and my TikTok name is Brunch with Babs. We have different varieties of food that we focus on. Some are just 2 or 3 ingredient recipes, but a lot of the recipes in there are family recipes and recipes that I've gotten from friends. Because before all this internet stuff, you exchanged recipes on recipe cards. Do you remember, Rachael, that when someone tells you to make something that they've been making for 45 years, you better make it? So the thing that keeps me going really and truly is knowing that I'm touching people out there, that people are responding, that there is a need out there that I had no idea of, that kind of an older motherly person is helping to fill. This one's going to blow your mind. 5 ingredient pepperoni bread.
5 cloves of garlic, I don't measure.
And all of a sudden now, I'm busier than ever. 100%.
We're going to have some fun.
I guess I would say that you never know where the journey of life is going to take you. And that even though you might be an older person, someone is waiting for you to share your world experience and advice with them. That we're here for a reason. So if you're still here, we got work to do, right?